Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 9th of July 2022 and the topic for the today's video is Introduction to Angular Concept. So this is my first or original video in this topic. So the first we will see what is Angular Concept. So the Angular is a platform and a framework for building the single page client application using the HTML and TypeScript. So Angular is written in TypeScript. It implements core and optional functionality as a set of TypeScript libraries that we import into our application. So the architecture of an Angular application relies on certain fundamental concepts. The basic building blocks of the Angular framework are Angular components that are organized into ng modules. So the ng module collects related code into functional set, and then Angular application is defined by a set of ng modules. An application always has at least a root module that enables a bootstrapping and typically has many more features modules. So the components define views, which are sets of screen element that Angular can choose among and modify according to our program logic and data. So the component use services which provide specific functionality not directly related to views. Service provider can be injected into component as dependencies, making our code modular, reusable and efficient. So the module components and services are classes that use decorators. This decorator marks their type and provide metadata that tells the Angular how to use them. So the metadata for a component classes associate it with a template that define a view. A template combine ordinary HTML with Angular directives and binding markup that allows the Angular to modify the HTML before rendering it for display. The metadata for a service class provides the information Angular needs to make it available to component through dependency injection (DI). So then applications component typically define many views arranged hierarchically. So the Angular provides the router service to help you define navigation path among views. The router provides sophisticated in-browser navigational capabilities. Now we will see the module. So an Angular ng module differ from an component JavaScript module. An ng module declares a compilation context for a set of components that is dedicated to an application domain, a workflow, or closely related set of capabilities. An ng module can associate its component with related code such as services to form functional unit. So every Angular application has a root module, conventionally named app module, which provides the bootstrap mechanism that launches the application. An application typically contains many function modules. Like JavaScript module, ng module can import functionality from other ng modules and allow their own functionality to be exported and used by other ng modules. For example, to use the router service in our app, we import the router ng module. So this is all about the Angular introduction to Angular concept. Thank you.